teach you how to make blue chia pudding in 10 easy steps. It's the perfect snack for summer and so easy to make. You are going to need collagen protein powder, Blue Majik powder, that gives it that beautiful blue color, your sweetener of choice, I use honey, and your milk of choice, whether that's oat milk, regular milk, or even coconut milk. Step 1, you're going to add 1/4 cup of chia seed into your bowl. Step 2, add 2 scoops of Blue Majik powder. Step 3, add 1/4 cup of collagen protein powder. Step 4, add 1 cup of your milk of choice. Here I'm using 2% milk. Step 5, stir well. You're going to want to make sure to stir and break up all the pieces of chia seed and Blue Majik powder. Step 6, add your sweetener to taste. Here I'm using honey. Step 8, cover with Saran Wrap and refrigerate for a couple hours or even overnight. Step 9, scoop pudding into 2 bowls, and step 10, add toppings of choice. I like to add berries, granola, cacao nibs, coconut flakes, and a drizzle of honey. And there you have it, how to make blue chia pudding in 10 easy steps. There's more where that came from. Subscribe to follow along.